Now, I'm getting up there again. And I got that way by staying out of people's business. So, no, I ain't gonna tell him nothing.
Hey, Hambone.
You gonna give me my hand?
You want your hand?
Sterling, don't be messing with him like that.
I ain't messing with Hambone. We got this little thing going, ain't we, Hambone?
You gonna give me my hand?
Trying to build up his confidence in me. Ain't that right, Hambone? You don't know nothing about this. We talking man to man. All right, now check this out, Hambone. First, I say, then you say. Black
Black
is
is
beautiful.
beautiful.
Yeah. Black is beautiful.
Black is beautiful.
You remember that now for the next time I see you, okay? I'll teach you something else.
You gonna give me my hand?
Hell, I might be a better man than you. What I look like trying to be equal to you? Hell, you don't hear me say that. I know I look good. Got good manners and everything.
When the say come on, you're supposed to be there when it say that. That's all right, you don't go. Ain't gonna stop the show.
You don't give me my hand. He gonna give me my hand. No, take that on out of here. I ain't trying to hear that. He gonna give me my hand. Go on my hand. Go on out of here with that. Take that somewhere else. Risa, don't you give him nothing today.
Here's your coffee, Hambone.
I told you not to give him nothing.
He don't bother nobody.
Tell him to take that somewhere else.
He don't bother nobody. Memphis, he just come in for his coffee.
He don't give me my hand. It's over there. Go on and get it. I want my hand. Tell him he got it. Come in here every day. 10 years. Saying the same thing. It ain't like let's hide it from him. Go over there and tell him, don't tell me.
He don't bother nobody.
He bothered me. The man crazy. He done let Lutz drive him crazy. Every day, 10 years, the same thing. I'm tired of hearing it.
You don't understand. I got overhead. I got 7 cars I gotta keep up. I got supplies I gotta buy. Hey, how much you think that embalming fluid costs? I got all types of bills. I got people who owe me money and won't pay me. It ain't like everybody think with Mr. West.
I ain't said nothing about all that.
You talk about why I don't lay him out in a different casket, that $350 barely cover my expenses. You can't put nobody in the ground for $350 no more. If I bury him in a bronze casket, I'll be out of business. I try to tell these niggas to keep up their insurance.
You gonna get your hand, okay? Look. Yeah, like that. First I say it, and you say it. United, we stand. Come on now. United, we stand.
United, we stand.
Divided, we fall.
Divided, we fall.
Yeah! See? United, we stand. Divided, we fall. Learn that in the penitentiary. You ever been in penitentiary? I want my hand.
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 Knock the leaves.
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 I want my hand.
What's all this hollering?
I want my hand.
Risa, what's all this hollering again?
Hey, one more time. It ain't my fault. I know you're mad. Everybody mad. They mad over East Liberty. People from Belzor. They mad all up and down the avenue. It ain't my fault. Except for me, I pay everybody what they do. It's a job for me. The little pay they give me ain't worth all that. They call me and say, hey, cut the number. Okay, that's the way that go. Best I can say, you look at it, cut it 7 ways.
Nah, what you telling me is that me and Risa gotta postpone our getting married.
I ain't said nothing about getting married. Don't be telling people that. Well, don't pay him no mind about that.
You see what I mean? This is to change their mind.
I'm letting you like the white folks do, get cremated.
Man, what you got against West?
I ain't got nothing against West. Just don't want them standing over me when I'm dead. I'd rather have a stranger standing over me.
You ain't gonna know nothing about it.
He don't give me my hand. He don't give me my hand. He don't give me my hand. I want my hand.
Hambone, where you been? Know what I tell you? It don't matter whether you got money or not. You come in here and get something to eat. You hear?
He don't give me my hand. He don't give me my hand. my ham.
Here, go on and eat now. I got something for you.
I want my ham.
All right, that's enough of that.
I want my ham. You gonna give me my ham?
The money go from you to me to you, then bingo, it's gone. From him to you to me, then bingo, it's gone. Give it to the white man. You pay your rent, pay your telephone, buy your groceries, go see the doctor, bingo, it's gone. Let it circulate around till it find that hole, then bingo. It's like hauling a bucket full of sand with a hole in it. By the time you get to where you're going, the bucket empty. That's why I said.